G'day guys. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work on Coda's catch can today. Basically the plan is to lift the lid of the catch can up higher. The problem with this catch can is the breather's at the very front, and being the lowest point we get the vapor that hits down through here and basically just comes out the air filter. It's not practical, it doesn't work. We've done a fair bit of work with this catch can system now by adding a secondary scavenge pump into the side of the block to pull the crankcase pressure out of the sump, and now it's doing everything it should do. And we also have a drain back to the sump, but now the issue we have is that we're making a mess up the top here just from the vapor. So the plan is to basically now modify the box. We're going to lift the lid up, we're going to use this top section as a baffle, and we're going to bring the breather out the back here. So we're going to raise the point to the highest point and give it a chance for it all to settle. So we'll get into it now, and we'll build the lid up, and yeah, let's see what it looks like at the end.